children. I'm really happy to welcome you all back to this video session, and this is our second video session on chapter 5. I hope you have all received your notes and write the notes neatly in your classwork and start preparing for your exam, children. Okay? So in the last class we started with the chapter 5 and we did addition and subtraction problems based on the topic money. Yes, children? So here also we are going to continue the chapter, but we are going to do a little bit different topic. Okay, children? Shall we begin? Yes. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn about multiplication and division in money. For that, we'll make use of a word problem. Okay? So here, the cost of a chair is rupees 520. What will be the cost of 9 chairs? So the cost of one chair is given as rupees 520. We have to find the cost of 9 chairs. Okay, children? So here, let us write the statement as cost of one chair equal to rupees 520. Cost of 9 chairs is equal to rupees 520 into the number of chairs is given as 9. Okay? So 520 into 9. Now let us begin the multiplication. Okay, children? Now, first we have to multiply 0 with 9. What is 0 nines are? 0. Yes? 2 nines are 18. So 8 will be written down and 1 will be carry over. Yes? Next, 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. Therefore, what is the cost? The cost of 9 chairs is equal to 4,680 rupees. Understood, children? So, the key word which you have to remember for multiplication is one to many. Okay? Next question. The total cost of 7 pens is 105 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pen. Children, in the previous question, we were asked to find the cost of many chairs given the cost of 1 chair. Yes, but here they have given the cost of 7 pens and we are asked to find the cost of 1 pen. So the concept which we are going to use here is division. Shall we begin, children? Yes. Now, total cost of 7 pens is equal to 105 rupees. Cost of 1 pen is equal to 105 rupees divided by how many pens? 7. Okay, so we are going to divide 105 by 7. So let us start the division. So 105 will be the dividend, 7 is the divisor. Now in 7 tables, 1 time it is 7. Now let us subtract 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7, children? 3. And bring the 5 down. So it is 35 here. And we know that 7 5s are, it is 35. So subtracting, the remainder is 0. So what is the answer, children? The cost of 1 pen is rupees 15. Yes, children? Now let us start exercise 5.2. Okay. So first question is 75 rupees into 5. So we have to multiply 75 and 5. So here 75 into 5. So first we have to multiply 5 and 5. What is 5 5s are? 25. So 5 I have written down and 2 is written above. Next, 7 5s are. What is 7 5s are, children? 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So now what is the answer? Rupees 375. Yes? Next question. 200 rupees 25 pies divided by 25. So here this is division. Okay. So let us do the division. 200 rupees and 25 paise. Yes. That is the dividend and 25 is the divisor. Yes. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide it. So 25 8 times we'll get 200. Yes children. Now on subtracting 200 you'll get 0. Next we have to keep the decimal point. Yes. Now bring the 2 down. Okay. So bringing the 2 down, 2 is not possible in 25. Yes. So we'll put 0. So 25 into 0 is 0. So next step what we are going to do? We are going to bring 5 down. Yes. So what is there? 25. So which can be 25 into 1 is 25. On subtracting, you get the remainder as 0. Therefore, what is the answer? 8 rupees and 1 paise. Understood, children? Next question. Answer the following. So, we have to multiply 98,725 rupees into 5. Okay. So, let us begin the multiplication. 98,725 into 5. First, we have to multiply 5 and 5. So, 5 5s are 25. 5 is written down and 2 above. Next, 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So, 2 is written down, 1 above. Next, 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So, 6 will be written down and 3 above. Next, we have to multiply 8 into 5. What is 8 5s are? 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. So, 3 is written down and 4 is written above. Next, we have to multiply 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. Therefore, what is the answer, children? When you multiply 98,725 into 5, we get 4,93,625 rupees. Understood, children? Next question. 362 rupees and 37 paise into 12. Okay. So first let us write the first amount. 362 rupees 37 paise into 12. So first I have to multiply 362 rupees and 37 paise with 2. Then I have to multiply the same amount with 1. Okay. So first let us begin the multiplication with 2. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So 4 I have written down. 1 is a carryover. Next 3 2s are it is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Next we have to multiply 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Yes. Next 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. So 2 down and 1 above. Yes children. Next 3 into 2. What is 3 2s are? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So next we have to multiply 362 rupees 37 paise with 1. So if you multiply 7 into 1, your answer will be 7. Yes children. Next 3 into 1, that is 3. 2 into 1, 2. 6 into 1, 6. And 3 into 1, 3. So we have multiplied 362 rupees 37 paise with 12. Yes, both 1 and 2 we have multiplied. Now we have to add. Okay, so now add 4 plus 0. It is 4. 7 plus 7, 14. So 4 is written down, 1 is carryover. Next, 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3 children? 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 is written down. 1 is the carryover. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is the answer children? Yes. Now, here you have the paise. Yes, the decimal point is there. Yes, and it is having two places, 3 and 7. Yes, so your answer should also have two numbers. Okay, so what is the answer when you multiply? It is 4,348 rupees and 44 paise. Okay, children? Next question. 7,980 rupees divided by 8. So now let us begin the division. 7,980 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. Now 8 nines are, it is 72. Now let us subtract 9 minus 2 first. So what is 9 minus 2? 7. Okay. 7 minus 7 is 0. So let us leave that as it is. Next let us bring the 8 down. So that becomes 78. Again 8 nines are, it is 72. Yes. Now let us subtract. 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2, children? 6. Yes. And now let us bring the 0 down. So therefore it is 60. 60, nearest to 60 we have 8 sevens are 56. Yes. Now let us subtract. Here you have 0 minus 6. 0 is smaller, so we have to borrow. So borrowing from 6, 6 becomes 5, 0 becomes 10. Okay. So 10 minus 6 is 4. And 5 minus 5, we'll just leave it as it is because we get the answer as 0. Now we have the remainder 4. We cannot leave the value as it is. So what we are going to do is we are going to keep a decimal point. If we keep a decimal point, that means we can add any number of zeros here. So first we are going to insert a 0 here. Okay. So 40. And we know that 8 5s are, it is 40. Yes. Now subtracting 40 minus 40, it is 0. So what is the answer, children? 7,980 rupees divided by 8 is 997 rupees and 5 paise. Understood, children? We'll move on to the word problems. The school management has decided to give a pen for all children participating in the Children's Day celebration. The cost of a pen is rupees 18. How much money do they need to buy pens for 256 children? So here the question is given as the cost of a pen is 18 rupees and we need to find the cost of 256 pens. Okay, that is the question. So they have given the cost of one and we are asked to find the cost of many. So the concept here we are going to use is multiplication. Okay, children? Now, solution. Cost of one pen is equal to 18 rupees. Cost of 256 pens is equal to 18 rupees into 256. Now let us begin the multiplication. 256 into 18. So first I have to multiply 6 with 8. So what is 6 8s are? 48. So 8 is written down, 4 is written above. Next 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So 4 is written down and 4 above. Next 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay. Now I have to multiply 256 into 1. So 6 into 1 is 6. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 1, 2. Now let us add. Okay. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 0 is written down. 1 carry over. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the cost? The cost of 26 pence is rupees 4,608. Understood, children? Next question. In a sweet stall, the cost of 18 kilogram of sweets is rupees 2,520. What is the cost of 1 kilogram of sweet? So here they have given the cost of 18 kilogram of sweets, and we have to find the cost of 1 kilogram of sweet. So many things have been given and we are supposed to find the cost of 1. So we are going to use the concept division. Okay. Solution: cost of 18 kilogram of sweets is equal to 2520 rupees. Cost of 1 kilogram of sweet is equal to 2520 rupees divided by 18. So here 2520 is the dividend and 18 is the divisor. Now 18 into 1 is 18. Yes, subtracting 5 minus 8 we cannot do, so we are going to borrow. So borrowing from 2, 2 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Now let us bring 2 down. Therefore we get 72. 18 into 4 is 72. Subtracting 72 minus 72 we get 0. And there is one more 0 in the dividend. So let us bring that 0 down. Yes, and we get 18 into 0 is 0. Therefore the remainder is 0. Yes children. So what is the cost of 1 kilogram of sweet? It is 140 rupees. Therefore cost of 1 kilogram of sweet is 140 rupees. Understood children? Children, with this we have completed the chapter money. So if you have any doubts, you can ask your concerned subject teachers. Okay, so write your notes neatly in your classwork and submit it for correction to your maths teachers. Okay children, thank you, take care and bye ma.